Hi folks, Javid Khan here from Impression, a marketing services company, small business owner in the great town of Aurora. I'm here with Mr. George Hughes from Lifestyle Oasis Windows. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, he's also a board member with the Aurora Chamber of Commerce. And George, you have something that you're really passionate about that you want to share with the audience that you all who are in the business community need to definitely know. What is that?
So in July the 18th, 2017, the federal minister announced a fair tax plan, and that's essentially targeting small and medium-sized businesses. It's going to change the way we, as a small business owner, pay our taxes and the remediation to the CRA. There's a lot of articles in the Star, in the Globe and Mail. We're going to send out a communication to all of our members. You need to get plugged into this because it affects you as a small business owner and operator. Taxes are going to increase, and they're trying to make it fair, but I don't think it's a very fair plan at all because it doesn't account for the risks that you as a small businessman takes on. So get yourself informed. We only have to October the 2nd to respond to the government about this new plan. Mm-hmm. It's important. It affects everybody.
And this is separate from the provincial
148, yes.
It's totally separate, folks. This is not the Bill 148 conversation. George, this is something very separate to that. This is the federal one, correct?
Yes, it's called the Federal Fair Tax Plan. It's put out by Bill Morneau, who was the federal finance minister. And they're trying to make it fair for all Canadians, but in doing so, mm-hmm. they made it very unfair for small businessmen. So you need to take action. You need to find out about it. You need to get educated because it's very complicated. And we only have, again, till October the 2nd to make a move.
So here's what we're doing as the Aurora Chamber of Commerce. You will be getting a communication, if you already have not, which will have some very specific links for you to take action, as George says. It's going to have you wanting to take action, including letters to your member of parliament. If you don't know who they are, there'll be links to identifying who they are. And we're talking about this, not sure if this is going to happen, but just keep this on your radar screen, that the Aurora Chamber of Commerce may put something together as a webinar session with some specific individuals from perhaps the Canadian Chamber of Commerce. We're going to hopefully do that. We're trying that, and if it works out, great. If it doesn't, then you've got enough information. George, anything else we need to make sure?
Just make sure that you do get yourself educated. It's very complicated. You need to spend some time, talk to your accountant, talk to your financial institution, make sure you understand what the issues are, and take action because now's the time to take some action.
There you go. Javid Khan.
George Hughes.
All right, we'll see you soon.